Hey guys, I'm Rae.
And I'm Jason.
And we've partnered with Rae and Jason to bring you this quick tutorial on how to individually control your Lippert hydraulic through frame slide outs.
This slide out system utilizes a hydraulic cylinder to move both room assemblies at once. All that really means is that both slides move with the push of only one button.
This slide right behind us is a perfect example of that. This is our dining room slide, which opens at the same time as our kitchen slide on the other side. But what if you find yourself in a situation where you only want one slide to come out? Well, that's where this tutorial comes into play, and it's really easy.
If you have a through frame slide out on your Grand Design, then you'll also have two knobs that control them individually. We have a Solitude, and ours are located over here on our door side propane storage compartment. These knobs open and close the flow of hydraulic fluid to your slide out. To figure out which knob controls which slide, close one knob and open your slide like normal. Whichever slide does not come out is controlled by the knob you closed.
Once you figure out which knob controls which slide, we recommend labeling them so you don't have to remember this in the future. And that's it. When you want to control the slides individually in the future, simply close the knob for the slides you don't want to move. This is a handy little trick we've used to grab something out of the fridge or in our living room space that we forgot when we don't want to open both slides to access it.
On other floor plans, this trick could be super handy, giving you access to a bathroom or a bedroom without having to open both slides. Super useful in some of those tight Walmart type situations.
Yes, no matter your need, we hope that you found this little trick helpful. Let us know in the comments down below any of your Grand Design tricks and what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join our getaway gang. We'll see you next time. Bye guys. And then we'll go into that B-roll.
Okay.
Yeah, say the whole thing.
On another. Ugh.
And that's it. And that's it. When you want to control the slides individually, simply, and that's it. And that's it. And that's it. When you want to, why can't I remember that? Let us know in the comments your thoughts and any other little.
And any other. Oh, I was almost there. What?
I was almost
Why do
there.
I have to do it over?
Because I want that to be one clip.
Hashtag GRV for life. For life.
Is that life?
Well, that's life, and it goes, and then you're dead.
Oh my God.
So yeah, that's life.